Anybody here yet? Excuse me. Right. So I'll just do it anyway. So with these harmonic patterns, basically you have to follow the market. So let me just get rid of that. You have to follow the market. So internet connections unstable. So in other words, what I say when I mean that is you always you need to be going to the extremes. So if you start there, I'll do drawing in a minute. This would be your A leg, right? Yeah, here we go. Look. So if you started there as your A leg, you came up to there. This would then have to be your B leg. You can't go to there because you'd be missing out this point there. So if you went to this point with the A leg, B leg would have to be there. You can't just go over to there because you're missing out. Let me just click these a minute. Oops, because if you went there like that, look, you're missing out these points. That can't happen. If that was going to be your B leg, your A leg would have to go up to there to the highest point. Same as if your A leg was there, your B leg would have to then come here. You're just following the market, look. Following the market all the time. So if your B leg was there, then your C leg would have to go there, the next point, to the extremes. Do you see what I mean? Can't just miss. You can't just miss bits of the market out. That's in my way. Let's get rid of this pattern. Sorry guys, again, this is just all live and off the cuff, but so you can. Again, I'll use that example again. So you can, if you come, you really need to go to the extremes. I don't know if I'm getting that across all the time. So really looking at that situation there, I mean, this is not an harmonic pattern, but if you look at this situation here, you would really be looking to come there to there because this is the most predominant low. This is the most predominant B point there, isn't it? You know, bang. Which then means that has to be your C point, which means we're breaking past the A leg. So if that's the case, then it has to be a shark or a cipher. So that measurement is a shark measurement, so therefore that'll have to come down there to make this say 161, and then that has to fall in between 88.9 and 113. And as we can see, price is gone over there. I mean, that could still be valid like that because this is not, see these points there, look, they're not higher than this C leg. If this point here was up there, was higher than that C leg, then the C leg would have to be moved to that higher point. Do you see what I mean? Like that. And being as that's lower, that's still not broke that. So this, in theory, that type of pattern could still be valid. If price was to come down there and hit it, bang, you've got a sharp pattern. I hope that makes sense. That's just a quick one. Just always must follow the market and go and work to the extremes. Do you see what I mean? So anyway, just a quick one just to get that across. So should we get back to trading again, guys? Nice one. Thanks for coming. Hope it worked. Hope it helped you. Cheers.